So guys, most important rule for class plus one students is called quotient rule. This rule generally has a issue with many students because they don't remember it or they don't understand how to apply this particular rule. But otherwise, it's very easy. Now, quotient rule or division rule is if y is equal to u over v, like the same product rule, where u is a function of x as well as v is also a function of x. Now, what does this rule says? Y dash is equal to, I always try to tell my students to remember it as numerator over denominator. So how to remember it is denominator square, denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator. Is that clear? Denominator square into derivative of numerator minus denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of. So किस तरह याद रखना है इसको? बोलो denominator square denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator. Is that clear? So this is my quotient. Let's take a simplest of the example to understand this. Y is equal to 3x plus 2 upon 2x plus 1. Clearly it is a case of a quotient rule. So how we can do this? Y dash will be denominator square denominator into derivative of numerator. 3x plus 2's derivative is 3 minus numerator into derivative of denominator. 2x plus 1's derivative is 2. So just simplified 6x plus 3 minus 6x minus 4 over 2x plus 1 whole square. So 6x cancelled. So answer is minus 1 over 2x plus 1 whole square, and that's my answer. Understood? So second question in this case is y is equal to 3x cube plus 1 over x square plus 2x plus 5. So again question rule, let's apply. Y dash is equal to, क्या करेंगे सबसे पहले? Denominator square, yes, denominator into derivative of
9x square.
So derivative of numerator 3x cube derivative is
9x square.
1 का derivative 0 constant होता है minus numerator into derivative of denominator, so it comes out with 2x plus 2 and 5's derivative is 0. So again simplify, y dash is equal to 9x to the power 4 plus 18x cube plus 45x square minus 3 into 2 6x cube, sorry 6x to the power 4 minus 6x cube minus 2x minus 2 upon x square plus 2x plus 5 whole square. So y dash finally comes out to be 9 minus 6 3x to the power 4, 18 minus 6 12x cube, 45 x square minus 2x minus 2 over x square plus 2x plus 5 whole square, and that's my answer. Students, a very important question from the application of quotient rule is y is equal to 1 plus x over 1 minus x whole under root. This question we will be doing in the next four rules, which we call it as the nth power of a rule. But how to do in this, or how to apply in the quotient rule, Let's understand. Can I say 1 plus x root over 1 minus x root? I hope there is no doubt. So ये क्या बन गया? U upon V. So let's crack it out. Y dash is equal to denominator square 1 minus x root whole square denominator into derivative of numerator. If anybody remembers what is the derivative, or एक मैं step extra कर रहा हूं to let you understand the whole thing. पूरा फॉर्मूला लिख के रहा हूं. Denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator. क्योंकि रूट को मैंने स्प्लिट कर लिया बेटे. ठीक है. न्यूमरेटर into derivative of denominator. Is that clear? So let's solve it out. Y dash is equal to. So can I say 1 minus x? Numerator as it is. Anybody who remembers 1 plus x root?
1 by 2.
Very good. Root x का derivative 1 by 2 root x.
1 plus x.
So 1 over 2 into 1 plus x. और x का डेरिवेटिव 1, मतलब x का कोएफिशिएंट 1, तो 1 ऊपर रहेगी. माइनस न्यूमरेटर, ओके, इनटू डेरिवेटिव ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर 1 ओवर 2
1 minus x
इनटू
1.
गलत, माइनस का, बिकॉज x के साथ कोएफिशिएंट क्या है? माइनस. तो माइनस 1. इज दैट क्लियर? नाउ y डैश इज इक्वल टू 1 minus x. Please check it out. 2 and 2 as it is. LCM ले रहा हूं मैं यहां पे. ठीक है, because this is this upon this and this upon this. 1 minus x into 1 plus x क्या बनता है?
1 square minus x square.
Very good. A square minus. तो यहां बना 2 into 1 minus x square. Yes or no? ऊपर क्या बना? चेक करिए. थोड़ा ऊपर लिख देता हूं. यहां क्या बना? दिस मल्टीप्लाई बाय दिस
1 minus x
तो 1 माइनस एक्स
minus 1 plus x
माइनस 1 प्लस एक्स बन गया माइनस 1 माइनस एक्स
into
I hope-
minus 1.
इंटू माइनस 1 का बन गया प्लस 1 पे. फिर चेंज ही ना करो, 1 प्लस एक्स बन गया फुल, बिकॉज माइनस माइनस प्लस. इज दैट क्लियर? तो यहां से मेरे पास क्या रिजल्ट निकला? चेक करिए. y डैश इज इक्वल टू x एंड x कैंसल, 1 प्लस 1 इज 2 एंड 2 कैंसल. तो रिजल्ट किसमें बना? 1 ओवर 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर इंटू 1 माइनस एक्स. दिस इज द आंसर इन इटसेल्फ. आप इसको और तरीके से भी लिख सकते हो. बताओ क्या? y डैश इज इक्वल टू 1 ओवर, इसको तोड़ दो, 1 माइनस एक्स की पावर 1 बाय 2 इंटू 1 प्लस एक्स की पावर 1 बाय 2. यस और नो? इंटू 1 माइनस एक्स है. तो आप ये भी लिख सकते थे y डैश इज इक्वल टू 1 ओवर 1 प्लस एक्स की पावर 1 बाय 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 माइनस एक्स की पावर 3 बाय 2. तो अगर कई बार मल्टीपल चॉइस में क्वेश्चन आ जाए तो ये भी आंसर करेक्ट है और ये भी आंसर करेक्ट है, बिकॉज यहां पे बेस से पावर्स बहुत एडेड हो गया. प्लीज गो. सो गाइस, few practice questions from quotient rule. Your first question is y is equal to 3x cube plus 2x square over 4x cube minus 5x. Second question, y is equal to root x over 1 plus x. Third question is y is equal to 4x plus 5 to the power 3 over 3x minus 1 to the power 2. Your fourth question is 1 plus 2x over 1 minus 2x whole under root. Your fifth question, which is a special question, it is y. So fifth question is, if y is equal to x upon x plus 5, prove that. Now this question is technically a different question. Prove that x into y dash is equal to y into 1 minus y. So make sure you need to prove LHS is equal to RHS in this question. So guys, these are the 5 questions which are there for you to be solved, and put the answers in the comment box. And if you find any doubt in these questions, must ask me. And at last I will again say, subscribe our YouTube channel to get most out of it. Thank you.